أربعين حسيني يا أبا عبد الله.
I'm from Italy and I'm here. They said because I was invited by Imam Husayn. Actually, I don't know, I hope.
What's your religion?
I'm Catholic. I'm happy, I was saying, because first of all, it's one of my desire. The first, I mean, be inside the history. There are millions. To be part of this million, it's honor. I'm honored. And I'm understanding that Imam Husayn is not only a person, it's not only an imam. It seems that it's a way of life. And living, looking for the truth, is what I like, what I'm trying to do. I'm looking for the truth and justice in a good way, the best I can do. So this makes me feel happy, very good, very good. It's very crowded. I couldn't believe it. Walking, you discover something more, something new of yourself, about Imam Husayn. So it's difficult, it's hard, but if you don't speak, you are alone. You speak with yourself. Walking clean the brain. I've realized one of the best things of my life till now.
أربعين حسيني يا